Hi, my name is Dr Georgina Tang. I'm a fertility specialist at City Fertility. I was trained in obstetrics and gynaecology, but I have special interest in fertility because fertility is a wonderful specialty that offer help to couples who have trouble falling pregnant. And being able to help them and to be part of their journey makes my job very fulfilling. Some people, during the investigation and the consultation, they actually fall pregnant successfully after I advise them about timing of intercourse or the various things that they could do to help to improve their success. Probably only about 30 to 40% of people I see will require IVF, but other people can achieve through more natural methods. Our new CBD clinic, we have a full service clinic. It combines consultation, a full day surgery and a full laboratory facility. At City Fertility, we do have our own egg donor and sperm donor program. The program has been very successful in recruiting egg and sperm donor for our patients. So the demand is very strong in Sydney. Being a parent is a wonderful experience, and unfortunately some people do have difficulty in achieving that dream. I am glad that I can be part of the journey towards the dream of parenthood.